In today's lesson, we're going to talk about comparing fractions. That means we're going to see how one fraction relates to another one and whether or not it's bigger than another one. And one of the rules you need to remember in fractions is this. In fractions, the bigger the number, and that's the bigger the bottom number, the smaller the amount. Now that makes no sense because we think, well, 6 is more than 8. But we're not talking about whole numbers, we're talking about fractions. So let's look at a pizza. Imagine these are pizzas. You'll have to use your imagination a lot for that because it's a mark on the board. But imagine that these are pizzas. Now you have a whole pizza here, and this pizza is cut into 5 pieces. This pizza is cut into 6, and this one is cut into 8 pieces. So if you're going to have 2 pieces of the one that's cut into 5 pieces, let's color these in, and let's color 2/6 in here and 2/8 over here, because when you have it cut into 8 pieces, it's in eighths. If it's in 6 pieces, it's in sixths, and if it's in 5 pieces, it's fifth. So let's take a look. If you have 2/5 of this pizza, do you have more pizza than you do if you have 2/6 of the pizza? Just look at the size. There's more of the pizza if you have fifths. But remember, this is a smaller number. But 2/5 is bigger than 2/6, and 2/6 is bigger than or more than 2/8. So let's cover and take a look at this and decide which one of these two fractions is bigger. Now, based on what we've already seen, 3/6, and remember in one of the previous lessons, we talked about if the top number is exactly half of the bottom, this means 1/2. But 3/5, if you're going to have half of fifths, it's going to be an odd number. So if this is 1/2, but this number is slightly over half of 5, is this fraction smaller than this one? And the answer to that is yes. So 3/6 is less than 3/5.